Hey guys, today we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this Elgato Wave 3 premium microphone. What's in the box is the mic, USB cable, desktop stand, an arm adapter, and a quick start guide. Okay, in the back it shows you all the features that it comes with. The mic, this microphone works with a Mac and Windows computer. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the box. Open up the box. So what you got in the box is a quick start guide. This shows you how to set it up and use. This microphone comes with this I believe this is a small accessory box. Okay, let's move on to the mic. Okay, here's the microphone. So this mic comes with a stand, but if you want to use a boom arm, it comes with an adapter and you can use that as well. Okay, so let's open up the small box. The small box comes with a long USB cable, and this cable is already a USB-C cable. And it also comes with the boom arm adapter. If you prefer to put it on boom arm instead of the stand, you can use that small adapter. And it also comes with instructions. Okay, so at the back you would see this USB cable plug-in on the back and a headset plug-in. On the side you would see a small branding of Wave 3, and in the front you would see all the controls for mic, headphone, mute button. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's plugged in. The knob lights up and you can turn it up and down, the volume down as well. You can push the middle button to make selection if you want to go to mic, if you want to go to the headset. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Please like our videos and subscribe to our channel. There's more unboxing videos coming up. Stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.